So the first thing we want to do once we're inside of our course is we want to be able to add or change things with our course. So the first step, just as it was in Moodle 1.9, is we want to actually turn editing on within our course. So in the top right hand corner, similar to where it was in 1.9, there's a button that says turn editing on. If we click that button, that will give us the same set of editing tools we've always had. There's a couple exceptions to this. So the first thing is we want to actually add a file to our course. And previously in Moodle 1.9, when we wanted to add a file to a course, we used the add a resource or add an activity pull-down menu. With Moodle 1.9, it's a lot simpler. All I'm going to do is find a folder on my desktop containing some of my course materials. If I go into my course materials, I choose the section I want to use. Maybe I want to upload my syllabus for one of the semesters and put it within my course. I can add that. So all I would do is I would choose the syllabus or the file that I wanted to add to that course, highlight it, and then just kind of hold it and drag it. And when you do that, you're going to see an outline, just as it says copy with the plus sign there, to let me know that that's copying somewhere. But what it'll also do is it'll pop up on the actual Moodle window with a little message that says add file here. If I move that up a week 2, that'll move it to the week above that. And basically that's letting me know that I can drop that file here within the course. And what I'm actually going to do is if I release that mouse button, I've had it click down the whole time, what ends up happening is it processes for half a second and then adds that file to the course. If I wanted to do this with all of my materials, I could just go back right into that course, and if there's other things I wanted to upload, maybe a test, I could just do the same process with another file. So I can add as many files as I want to the weeks just by simply doing this. And maybe I have the wrong file, I want to get rid of the activities, I can just hit the delete button, and that'll take that away. Previously in Moodle 1.9, when I put a file onto the main page of my course, it was actually linked to a file in my file repository. That's no longer the case in Moodle 2.3. If I delete a file off the main page of my course, whether it's a PDF or a Word or whatever it may be, that's also gone from the file repository. Both files and activities are one and the same. They're mutually linked. Think about it like it's two ends of a barbell. If I got rid of one end, I'd probably have to get rid of the other end. I hope you found this helpful for the first step in adding files to your course.